Good evening and welcome to your 4OS Cybel Market close for Thursday, June 11th. Let's get into it. Stocks rallied into the close in a broad risk-on session. The S&P 500 added 1.7%, the Dow gained 1.8%, and small caps jumped nearly 3%. But the star was the Nasdaq 100, surging 3.4%, while volatility cooled almost 5%. Looking closer at the majors, every index finished firmly in the green. The Nasdaq led the pack, powered by technology and chip names, with the Russell 2000 right behind as money moved back into risk. The S&P and the Dow both notched solid gains, confirming the strength was broad, not narrow. The sector scorecard tells the story of the day. Technology led, up nearly 4%, followed by materials and industrials, classic cyclical leadership. Healthcare, financials, and communication services posted smaller gains. The laggards were the defensives, like staples and real estate, while energy was the clear loser, down almost 2%. And here's today's big story, a powerful rotation. Money rushed out of enterprise software and straight into chips and memory. SanDisk exploded over 14%, Micron jumped almost 12%, and Western Digital, AMD, and the semis all followed. On the other side, software names like Autodesk and Adobe were left behind. These were the day's top gainers on the watch list. SanDisk led with a massive 14.5% surge. Micron followed, up nearly 12%. EchoStar gained 11%, with Western Digital and AMD each climbing around 8%. The memory and semiconductor trade was firmly in control. Now the other side of the tape, the day's biggest decliners. Autodesk fell 7%, with Adobe and Workday close behind. Natural gas slipped over 3%, and ServiceNow rounded out the laggards. Notice the theme, software and enterprise names under real pressure. Across the full watch list, breadth leaned positive, 18 names higher, 13 lower, and the leadership was unmistakable. Semiconductors and memory dominated the top of the board, with NVIDIA, AMD, Qualcomm, and the chip ETFs all pushing higher. Further down the list, the picture stayed mixed. Networking and storage names held firm, while much of the software group and energy stayed in the red. It's a market rewarding chips and punishing crowded software, at least for today. So what should you watch next? First, the memory trade is extended after a vertical run. Watch for follow-through versus a blow-off top. Second, software stays heavy and needs to stabilize. Third, keep an eye on event risk, with a major IPO set to debut Friday. And with volatility easing, dips are being bought, but stay disciplined on your stops. That's your market close for today. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for daily recaps. Remember, nothing is impossible. It's 4OS Cybel. See you tomorrow.